Okay, so where do I start with this? The first step to making an album is to decide that you want to make an album. And I don't mean this in like, oh yeah, I just want to make an album. I mean it in really committing yourself into doing this body, because it will take time. And if you don't have the time, or you've decided that you don't have the time for it, you just won't get it done. It's taken me so long to get my shit together. I moved countries. I didn't couldn't get an album finished for years and years and years in Sydney, and I took myself away, and I'm currently in Mauritius. And it's been 2 years that I've been in Mauritius, and 1.5 years I've been working on the album. So the first 6 months I was just settling in here, prioritizing surviving and making money and things like that. And then I decided that, okay, I've got to get this project going. And the only way that I could actually get it done was to schedule time into my calendar for writing and recording, like you would schedule a gig or a job. Like, actually allocate time to getting it done, because otherwise it just, oh yeah, I'll just do it in my spare time, and that spare time never comes, because there's always other stuff to fill in those gaps. So yeah, decide and commit. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to try and get it done by this day or this month. And yeah, and then allocate as many hours as you can a week to getting it done. And sometimes that's just hours of sitting in front of the computer. I've allocated time here, and there's no creative stuff coming out right now. I'm just, what a waste of time. But it's not a waste of time. It's really going, right, this is what I'm doing, and keeping your eye on the ball.